Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Light, fluffy and tangy lemon cake is perfect for any occasion. Let's see how to do it. So into a large bowl, add some sugar and some lemon zest. Combine it really well. Into that add some ghee or clarified butter and some milk. Mix it till the sugar gets dissolved. Into that sift in all-purpose flour, baking powder and some baking soda. Sift it. Mix it well with the wet ingredients. Once it is well combined, add some lemon juice and mix it. When you add the lemon juice and mix, you can see the batter becomes airy and fluffy. Now our cake batter is ready. Transfer that onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Just tap it to get rid of all the air bubbles and bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. Our lemon cake is ready. When it cools down completely, take it out from the baking tray. Here I added some whipped cream on top, but you can also try adding some sugar lemon glaze, which tastes really great with lemon cakes. Finally, add some sweetened lemon wedges. Let's cut a piece and enjoy. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comments section below. Hit the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.